Hello guys, welcome to Nigga Times Graphics. If you want to learn how to put a slow motion on your video, then this video will show you how to do that step by step. Okay, so first of all, you have to import your video into CapCut. Then when you import a video into CapCut, what you do first is tap the video to highlight it. Just tap the video like this to highlight it. So when you tap the video like this to highlight it, the next thing is tap on speed. You see speed here. Tap on speed. So when you tap on speed, tap on normal. When you tap on normal, you see that the cursor is at 1 point. So to slow motion your video, what you do that drag it back, drag it back like this, drag it back like this. So let's play and see the results. You see how it is? Yes, so that is it. That's how to slow motion your video. So the more you drag it back, the more it gets slower. Okay, so let's drag it back again and see. See how very slow it is. So the more you drag it back, the more it gets slower. So this is just how to slow motion your video. So that is it. Very simple to do with CapCut. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and turn notification bell for video editing tips like this. You'll be getting a lot. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.